Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing video with Scott. Today we're checking out this HD NVR kit. So this is a full professional security system kit, P2P HD cloud option. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box. Alright guys, so inside the box you get 4 of these power plugs. These are for your cameras. So you get 4 cameras, and this is what each camera is going to look like. So you have your cable here for connecting all your devices and the power cable and whatnot. You have your signal receiver antenna here. You have your camera right here. So this is how the camera looks. You mount it underneath, and this camera can rotate all around. So don't do this in don't do this in person because it's not good to manually force cameras. I'm gonna do this slowly just to show you guys and demonstrate. But as you guys can see here, the camera can rotate. So we turn it, you guys can see the receiver. It rotates, and then you also can rotate upward, downward, and again, if it's up, it can then be rotated at another position to then face out the whole other side. So guys, again, full rotation of this camera. It's a very nice looking camera as well, and you get 4 of these. So each of these boxes have have one in them, and you get 4 boxes. They give you the screws. This is going to be your power, and it's already listed on here. It's going to be your power cable for your actual box. They give you an Ethernet cable. They also give you a computer mouse for setting this up. Now they give you security decals, which is pretty awesome. 24-hour surveillance. Now they give you a user guide, and of course we obviously can't go over everything, because if we go over everything, we're going to be here for a couple days making a video. My video will be 14 hours long. So make sure you check out the user guide. Make sure you check out their listing for more information. This is what it looks like. And again, everything is nice, if you can tell, nice and sleek. So this is the receiver box. And what this box does, it saves all the information on from your cameras to this. So normally you guys have, not a website, but normally you have an app or something, and you put a TF card in, and the TF card saves your information, your videos and whatnot, and captures. Well, this box allows you to record 24/7. This is what most businesses use, and since I now have my own business, we're going to be running this 24/7. But yeah, this allows you to run 24/7, saving every second of that footage and storing it onto the system. Again, check out your manual for more information. But you have your on and off power back here. You have 2 USB ports. You got your Ethernet cable port. You got an HDMI port, so you can connect that to a monitor, to a TV. You got a VGA port for monitoring for a TV, whatever. So you can hook this up to a TV and have it live 24/7. So in our office, we can set up a live TV that shows it 24/7. You have audio out port, and again, these are for receiving. So it's very simple, guys. They make it easy, they make it sleek, they make it nice. Got indicator lights that are going to be on here as well. So again, very nice kit. Check out your manual. I'm going to show you some footage of the camera actually on. So see you guys in a little bit. Oh, by the way, guys, I absolutely love this kit, this brand. They did really well with designing this, so I like it.